Welcome to Satyajit Bora's e-Pathshala once again. Today, this is a video which is a continuation of the previous video, that is Maths part 2 of chapter number 1. We will today, without wasting much more time, I just want to start with example number 4, which was remaining last in our last class. I am not going to write the question. You just read it from your PDF, which I have already uploaded in your WhatsApp account. You can download it from there and go through the question. Now I will read it. Example number 4. The question is, Suman studies for 5 and 2/3 hours daily. Sorry. She devotes 2 and 4/5 hours of her time for science and mathematics. How much time does she devote for other subjects? That means Suman reads for 5 and 2/3 hours daily, but out of these 5 and 2/3 hours, she only utilizes only 2 4/5 hours for science and mathematics. That means the remaining hours are utilized for the remaining subjects. So I hope remaining, the key word is here, what? Remaining. If you read the question properly, after reading the question, you think using some keywords like total, overall, remaining, portion left. These type of questions, these type of keywords itself give some idea regarding which arithmetic operation you need to use here. So for example, here we need what? We are asking the remaining portion. Remaining portion, how do we find out? Simply subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. We will get the we got the idea that we have to subtract here, right? So we will subtract here a smaller number from a bigger number. But here what we need to subtract? We need to subtract hours, that means time. Now how do we start our question? Look at here. First, always I have told you that given should be written on in every question, which provides you some step marking. If here if some of the steps you have made mistaken in further approach, at least you will get some marks for the previous steps. If you don't write these things, you are deducting your marks by yourself. So better you have a practice. While you practice, you do a habit of writing given part. Okay, I hope you got it. Now given, what is given? Total study hour. I will write it, see, total study hours you can write, or time you can write. Okay, total time of study ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, like that also you can write. I think that will be far better to hear, listen. Okay, now total time of study equals to how much? 5 2/3. What it is? What? Hours. It is in hours. Now time spent in what? In science, and you can write here mathematics, but I will write here maths because space is very less. Okay, you write here mathematics, I will write here maths. I am writing here maths. Now how much time they C utilize? 2 yes, 2 4/5 hours. I hope it is clear. Now here I need to do subtraction, so simple. Therefore the required time for other what subjects equals to bigger one. Which one greater? 5 2/3 is greater, minus 2 4/5. This is what? Hours. I hope you got it. Now you put this equal sign right below this equal sign, but for me I need some space here, but here no space is available, so I am writing it starting it from here. But you don't start it from here, you have to start right below this the above equal sign. Okay, now how will I solve it? This one, you can use any of the given two methods. See, suppose I am using method 2. How will I solve it? Bracket is always there. Okay, now I need to convert this thing into improper fraction. नीचे क्या होगा? 3. Denominator will be 3. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 17. So 17/3 will be our first improper fraction. Next, minus 5 2s are 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 14 divided by 5 hours, isn't it? Now these two fractions I need to take now what? Yes, LCM. 3 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is what? How much? 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 into this 17. Minus is there, minus. Now this 15 has to be divided by 5. 5 3s are 15 into this 14 in the numerator. This is what? Hours. I have not put here bracket. Why? Can anybody tell? Yes, this is a one single fraction. This is one single fraction, so we need not to put bracket. But here two fractions were available, so we need to put bracket to signify that this hour is not only for one single fraction, for both this hour is representing. So for this type of representation we need bracket, but here only one single fraction, so definitely this hour is going to signify this single fraction only. Okay, next, how much here you will get? 5 17s are 85. Yes, minus is there, minus 3 14s are how much? 42. Now divided by 15 hours. Okay, how much from here? How much you will get? 3. 5 minus 2 3. 8 minus 4 4 divided by 15 what? Hours. But it is again an improper. Our answer is almost over, but this is also an improper fraction, so it is better. It will be better for you to convert this improper fraction into what? Into your mixed number. Yes, fixed. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. So 15 twos are 30, and what will be our 13 will be our remainder. Now therefore our answer will be what? Equals to 2 नीचे 15, ऊपर 13 hours. So this will be our final answer. Now look at this and copy this. By pausing the video, you can copy this particular whole question. Okay, I am going to rub it. Now we can start with our chapter, the remaining questions of our exercise 2.1, right? So let me rub this completely. In between rubbing this board, I want you to request something. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it such that all the notification regarding new uploadation of any video you get time to time without any कुछ मतलब समझ में आ जाएगा, तुम लोगों को मिल जाएगा जब भी कोई वीडियो अपलोड हो जाएगा तब तो. और also I want you to like the video. If you really like it, please press the like button such that I know that you are liking my videos. That means you are getting all the points which I want you to make you understand. So I hope you will do that. Now question number 3 question number 2, I think most of you have not done. So from question number exercise 2.1, I am doing question number 2. Question number 2, I am not going to write down the question, but the question is what? Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means what? Descending order means you have to arrange the given numbers, but here not number, here what? Here we have fractions. So we have to arrange these given fractions of each of the question from larger to smaller. That means greater to smaller. This is called descending order. Now question number 1 I will solve. 2 you solve it by yourself. Okay, this will be your homework, or you may consider it as a classwork. Now question number 2 1, what is given? 2 by 9, 3 by 2 by 9, sorry, this is 2. Okay, 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. Very simple. It is nothing so much tougher. See, before arranging some numbers, whether you are asked to arrange it into descending order or ascending order, first thing you need to do is what? You have to compare the numbers. You should know how to compare these numbers. Yes, a simple number, that means whole numbers comparison is somehow very easy, but in case of your fractions, it is bit complex, but not too complex. How can we compare minimum 2 fractions? I have already discussed in my previous videos that we have to make sure that at least the numerators or the denominators of both or all the given fractions which are to be compared must make them same. That means all the denominators must be same for comparison, or all the denominators or all the numerators may also you can make same, equal. But we will use the first technique, that is the denominators of all the given fractions must be what? Equal. So what was the process? The process was taking LCM first. Let us do it. What are the denominators? Here you have to write, here we have to take LCM of what? 9, 3, 21. How will we do this one? This one is the process. 9, 3, 21. 2 re nazai. 2 cannot divide this. So start with 3 you take. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now again 3, only 1 will go. No need to do these things. Now therefore our LCM will be what? Therefore LCM equals to how much? 3 into 3 into 1 into 7 equals to how much? 3 into 3 9. 9 7s are 63. Is that clear? Now you write now here. 2 divided by 9 equals to how much? You have to make this 9 63, right? Now how will you make this 9 63? 9 into 7 equals to 63, right? 9 7s are 63. So you have to multiply the above number with 7 only. What was there? 2 was there. So this 2 was there. So 2 7s are 14. Next. What was next? 2 by 3. In 2 by 3, what you have to write? 2 upar, niche, 3. But you have to make this 63. How will you make it? 3 into what? 21. इतना सोचने की कोई ज़रूरत है नहीं. देखो इसमें देखो. Look at here. If you see these 3, suppose this one is this 3, then how much remaining? 3 into 7. So how much? 3 7s are 21. So put it simple, 21. So ऊपर भी तो 21 ही होगा ना. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. देखो here already we had what? 9. 3 3s are 9. What is remaining here? 1 into 7. So how much? 7. So I have written here 7. So no need to think differently. You can put it from you can choose it from here itself. Now next, 8 by 21. 8 by 21. Here 21 is available and I need to make this 21 into 63. How will you make this 21 into 63? No need to think differently. Just go through 21 banao pehle. 3 into 7, 21. So remaining what? Only 3. So 3 will become here. 3 will become here. So 8 3s are 24. Oh, ye rakh diya na. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now if you look at these numbers, here you have to write since. कौन सा सबसे बड़ा है? Because we need to arrange them in descending order. So सबसे बड़ा वाला पहले आएगा. Which one will come first? This one will come first. Since 42 by 63 is greater than, then next one. Which one? This one. 24 by 63 is greater than how much? 14 by 63. Therefore, you write down therefore. Iske, what is the corresponding fraction to this fraction? 2 by 3 is greater than, right? 2 by 3 is greater than, this greater than symbol coming. 24 corresponding 8 by 21, this greater than symbol, put it here. 14 by 63, whose corresponding is 2 by 9. So this is our answer, and this is our required ascending order or descending order. Okay, I hope you got it. All of you copy this. I am rubbing in the meantime. And the question number, you can pause the video and copy this, then again resume the video. Now we will start with question number 3. What is there in the question number 3? If you look at there the question is what? Question is a problem of magic square. What? A problem of magic square. Now all of we have the idea of magic square, that is already we have found in class 5. In class 5 we have learned about magic squares. Okay, what was the concept behind magic square? The concept behind was magic square was nothing other than if you add all the elements inside that square, all the elements inside that square, that means all the numbers inside that square, if you add them row wise or column wise or diagonal wise, in all these three cases you will get the same result if you add them diagonally, row wise, or what, or column wise. If you add them, you must have the same result, that means same number. In case of fraction also same thing, same fraction you need to get. If you don't get, that means it is violating the principle of magic square, that means it will not follow, it is not a, we can directly say that it is not a magic square if it is not following these three rules. Now our magic square, I am going to draw it first. This one was our magic square, somehow like this, isn't it? Am I drawing correct? This one, 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11. Next, 3 by 11, 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11, 8 by 11, সবতে to 11 এ আছে. Now 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Now see, diagonal means this one is diagonal or this one is diagonal, right? Now row means this one is row, 2 row, 3 row. Column, how many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. So if you add them, you will get, you must have get the same what result. So first solution of question number 3, solution. Okay, addition, you have to write down addition of, first suppose diagonal elements I am going to add. So addition of diagonal elements, ऐसे देके इसको underline कर दिया करो. Now here you will have 2 diagonals. Systematically, step by step, if you do solve your questions, it will look very simple, it will look very beautiful, as well as it will clear all the concepts regarding this particular questions, and you will get the full marks for it. Now if you add them, you have first of all you have to find out the diagonal elements first. This one was first diagonal, one of the diagonal elements. This, it is one of the diagonal, right? So these are the elements. So I have 2 possibility, case 1. So case 1, suppose I am considering this one diagonal. So 8 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 2 by 11. I hope you got this. If we add them 11, 11, 11, so denominator will be same. If we add them, simple, they will get add. Whenever our denominator is same, then it is very easy to add them up. Now if we add them, how much we will get? 8 plus 5, 13 plus, sorry, no need to do these things, you just simple 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 how much? 10 plus 5, 15 by 11. Here you got this one. Now case 2. Okay, case 2 what? Now this diagonal you take it, 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Now add them, how much you will get? 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 11. How much you will get here? 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 15. Again you are getting 15 by 11. Now addition, you can put here A also for this. Now for B, addition of row wise elements. Addition of row wise, ROWYESE, row wise elements, ELEMENTS. Look at your copy, okay? Correct it. Now suppose here we will get how many rows? 3 rows. That means for 3 rows I am giving case 1, first case, first row. Or you may write row 1 also, okay? You may write here row 1, okay? So for row 1, what are the elements? 4 by 11, 4 9 2, 4 9 2, नीचे सबका क्या है? 11 11 11 है कि नहीं? Now ऐड करो सबको 11, ऊपर क्या होगा? 4 plus 9 plus 2. How much you will get from here? नीचे 11. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4, 15. Here also you get 15. Now row 2. In row 2, how much you will get? Second row, 3 by 11 plus 5 plus 7 by 11. सबका 11 है ना? So if we add them, how much you will get? 3 plus 5 plus 7 divided by 11. नीचे 11 आएगा. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15. Here also coming. Now row 3. Okay. If we do that, 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So if we add them, how much you will get? 8 plus 1 plus 6. 8 plus 1 plus 6. Here also you will get what? 15 by 11 only. Up to here, everywhere I am getting 15 by 11. Now you pause the video and copy this. In the meantime, I will rub this. You just do that. Now I will make this C, okay? Now C I will make it. Addition of, now not row wise, now what? Column wise elements. So these will be changed. These will be get changed, and these are also going to get changed, okay? Oh, no need to rub all these things. Only the numerators I can change. I could have changed. Okay. This is wasting much more time, right? But I have no other option also. Now column, you can write simple column 3. Now column 1, this one suppose 4 by 4 3 8. 4 3 8 by 11 plus by 11 plus by 11 equals to. Now row 2, I will first write down everything, okay? 9 5 1. Next 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Everywhere you will see that there will be 11 in the denominator for each fraction addition. Now if we add them, how much we will get? 4 plus 3 plus 8. Here we will get Here you will get 9 plus 5 plus 1. Here what you will get? 2 plus 7 plus 6. 2 plus 7 plus 6. Now add them all. From here, a 4 plus 3 7 plus 8 15 by 11. Next, 9 plus 1 10 15. 15 by 11. Next, नीचे तो 11 आएगा ही. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 6 how much? 15. So what we have seen. Now from after this you write this one. What I will write here. Okay, I will write here, but you will write these things down over here. But I have no space here, for I will write here. Since we have noticed that the sum of all the sum in all the cases are same fraction, which is 15 by 11. Therefore, the given square is a magic square, right? Now you copy this. In the meantime, I will write all these things. Now question number 4 I want to start. What is there in the question number 4? In question number 4, a rectangular sheet. Question number 4 solution करेंगे हम. But the question is what? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 and a half centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Now what is it? Is a question of simple perimeter, finding perimeter. Now how can we find out the perimeter of a rectangular sheet? For rectangular sheet means it is a rectangle. So for finding the perimeter of a rectangle, the formula which we use is to be used here also. So the perimeter of a rectangle can be used can be find out by using this particular formula. Perimeter. But before doing this, why we are using this? First we will start with our given things. What is given? First of all, you write it down there. Given length given, length L equals to, suppose what is given? Long, that means 12 1 by 2 centimeter. You have to write it there. Next, breadth or width, you can write width also. Okay, here breadth or width, same thing. Width is how much? 10 2 by 3 what? Centimeter. Therefore the required perimeter equals to how much? Perimeter निकालने का formula क्या था? What was the formula for finding perimeter? That was 2 into length plus breadth, right? So I am using here not length breadth. এই ব্ৰেকেটৰ মাজত দিয়াৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ সুবিধা হ'ল I can use these keyword these symbols for this. Otherwise if I did not अगर मैं ये यूज नहीं किया होता यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख नहीं पाता. Okay, now you see here, put the numbers values. What will be the value here? 12 1 by 2 plus 10 2 by 3, and it is what? Centimeter all this. Now 2 into इसको convert करो किस में? इसको convert करो improper fraction में. नीचे 2 होगा. 2 12 is 24 plus 1 25 plus is there plus 3 10s are 30 plus 2 32 centimeter is centimeter. Now here 2 into bracket start 2 3 इसका LCM कितना आएगा? 6 आएगा. Now 2 3s are 6, so 3 into 25 plus 3 2s are 6, so 2 into 32 centimeter is there. Right? समझ में आया? अगर नहीं भी आया तो वीडियो को फिर से देखना, आसानी से आ जाएगा समझ में. Now you can cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so simply this is 3, 2 is getting over, 3 25s are 75 plus is there, so plus 2 34s are 32s are 64. What is this? Centimeter. Now what will be your answer? Not, it is not exactly the answer. Now if we add them, how much you will get? 70 plus 60 130, 130 plus 9 139 by 3. Now centimeter, but this is, it is almost your answer, but this is not the correct answer for because it is an improper fraction, so you need to what? Convert it into mixed fraction. 13 4s are how much? 12. 3 4s are how much? 12. 1 9. 3 6s are 18. 1 will be there. So your answer will be how much? Your answer will be 3. No, sorry, it's my wrong mistake. 46. 46 1 by 3 centimeter. So take this video or take this pause this video and copy this, and thank you for watching this video, and we will complete the other portion in our next video. So thank you for watching me. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you have any comment you can place it over there, and also if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. I have a request for you, all of you, such that you can subscribe it. Thank you very much for watching me again.